Scrappy friends, thanks for stopping by. So realised I hadn't hit record on this video, so you join me when everything's been laid out where I like it, arranging the square photos around the title. So this was the layout from February that I did for Lottie Loves Paper challenge. The challenge was, I need to have the word one in the title, needed to be a sporty activity, and yeah, I think that was it. So for the one, I went with the fact that Christine had my sister. Only thing she definitely wanted to do whilst we were in New York, or one of the very few things that I have to do this, was ice skating on Central Park. So we're at the Wolfgang Rink near the Plaza Hotel, and I fitted the one in my title by tick one off the bucket list, because that's what Chris was doing. So yeah, using the January, I think it was, hip kit for this, and the background paper is Vicky Booton, one of the pre-made backgrounds. I haven't done that mixed media myself on this occasion, so just sticking all that down, and then I'd saved these ice skates. These ice skates were always going to be used on a layout for these photos, so just trying to get my F right. I pushed it down and out of the way when I put the fox on there. I do struggle using these critters that we get in a lot of kits these days and a lot of collections, but I figured, we're in a big park, and I know the parks in London have foxes, so I figured it kind of went. And just running through all the embellishments here and seeing what I want to use to finish embellishing off the page. We'd had a really great day on this particular day. We'd been for a walk around Central Park, so me and my two sisters, their husbands, Mr. Ding, and then my middle sister, not Christine, Alison, the other one, her daughter and her stepkids in their other halves with us as well. So we'd had this walk, we've got to the ice rink, and the others wanted to go do some shopping before they went ice skating. Christine just wanted to ice skate, so because it had been raining, they said the ice rink was going to be closed about 20 minutes after we got there, so we let the others know, and Christine went and ice skated, because that's just what she wanted to do. She didn't want to go shopping, and she wanted to do the ice skating. That's why we've gone for the walk in the park, to go find the ice rink. So yeah, we had a great time. Chris had a lot of fun, got some really good photos of ice skating. We then went for another walk around the park, and I've got lots of photos from that to scrap. So Gatsby Bridge and Bathsheba Fountain, the boathouse. Our other sister and her husband and my niece joined us at the boathouse, and it started snowing, so I've got lots and lots to scrap from this day. So yeah, it's just still going through all the embellishments here. It's not the longest of videos, but because you didn't see the start of it, I've only sped it up by 3, whereas I usually do 4. So you're seeing me messing about with embellishments a lot more than you normally would do. The embellishments are a mix of Hip Kit exclusive and this particular pack, I think, of Pink Fresh. So Pink Fresh make Hip Kit's exclusive stuff. So I'm just stamping the date here. So this is the 1st of December. I had intended on doing my December daily as well, which I've only done the first page of, which is something from this day. Didn't ever do anything more. So just sticking down all the embellishments now, liking where they are. So that's all of the die cut ephemera getting stuck down, and then I'll go through some of the other bits from this collection in a minute once this is all stuck down. I'm a bit of a stickler for things being straight. Sometimes I will do them wonky, but I do them wonky on purpose so you don't think I've tried to get them straight. But yeah, a bit of a stickler for trying to get them straight. I don't want them to look wonky by accident. Okay, these discs I adored. So these are, I think it must be chipboard, which are covered with fabric that's printed. these are my favourite embellishments ever. So just put 3 there in the visual triangle. I'm now writing the journaling, basically what I told you about us go to the ice rink and Christine getting to ice skate, which was what she always said was her bucket list for New York, was ice skating. So just finishing the journaling there. And I don't think I had anything else to this page. But I've got lots more layouts to make from this trip to New York. There's at least another 3 from this, or 4 from this walk in Central Park, because there's so much to document from just a really great day with my sisters. But yeah, I think that's this layout done when the journaling is finished. Please like and subscribe, because we all know that helps YouTube share things and have things pop up in searches. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to leave you with some photos now and a couple of close-ups and a still of the layout. But have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.